It's your girl. Nosh. Today I was like, let's do some mouth sounds and some up close personal sounds, and hopefully talk you through whatever stresses that you may have going on right now. Just relax. Feel that, what's been going on in the media and with the world as a whole. I hope you're able to maintain and be okay with all the negatives going on in the world. Just remember, at the end of the day, you have your life to worry about too. You are important, you know. When I made this YouTube channel, I was gardening. If you don't know what gardening is, then you're too young. I was gardening and I found an opportunity to potentially reach people and find my own audience in a different way. I never thought that ASMR would be something that I would truly enjoy. I always watch it myself at night to fall asleep and, just be at peace. I love to watch people color and just make really relaxing noises. One of my favorite ASMR video content creators. I also really like Kenya. Christine is a great creator to watch. I like to watch her because she colors. I found her on TikTok and thankfully she made her way over to YouTube. I also really like to go to ASMR videos that actually inspired me with my content. That's where I get the inspiration for all my mouth sounds and to even change up my microphone. At first I didn't even want a Yeti microphone. I had a Shure microphone, and I saw that everybody in the ASMR community was using the Blue Yeti, so I was like, let me get a Blue Yeti. At first I hated it, but now I'm in love with it. I've named her Bluey. Oh, and also happy Black History Month. I love Black History Month, not only because it's celebrating my people, but also because my birthday is this month. Yes, I'm an Aquarius. Aquarius gang, stand up. Make some whispers. My birthday is February 15th. I will be turning 29. Are there any other 90s babies that are watching me right now? Comment down below. Show me your greatness. How this channel could be going, but I do feel like it's going to be large. I feel like my community, our community, is going to grow and impact so many. I want you guys to know this always. No matter what, I will always love and appreciate you guys for supporting me and who I am. Really, the more that you come here and relax with me, the more that I can reveal about myself and who I am. And hopefully we can relate more to each other. Yeah. That sounds good to me. This video. If you want more videos like this, click on the playlist that is on the screen. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time, okay?